This thing was abandoned for 20 years, so can't say it's a real shocker. Somebody, the best thing they did was draw some flames on it, so, you know, hey, that's pretty sweet, right? What's really going on from the looks of things is that along its road, this car has had a number of repairs done, some to a better or worse degree. The other thing that I'm finding is that according to the paint codes, this car was originally gray. And so you see here where the trim came off, there's the gray paint, and you can see the gray on the dash and on the undercarriage and places like that. So I'm not sure when the mint green was put on, but I believe that's actually a Cadillac color, as I'm finding out. The thing that's weird about it, though, is when you sand through the green, there is primer, but there's no gray. So it's an interesting history this car has had. But when the green was sprayed, it clearly was done pretty well. I mean, somebody really took the time to mask off everything and even paint inside the engine compartment, the cowl, all that stuff. So we'll continue to make discoveries as we go, and that's just part of, you know, finding these old cars and resurrecting them. This thing was abandoned for 20 years, so can't say it's a real shocker. Somebody, the best thing they did was draw some flames on it, so, you know, hey, that's pretty sweet, right? No, man, it'll be fun. This is going to be a great project. I'm really looking forward to digging in even further, and we'll give you more updates as we go. Take care, you guys. Be safe out there. God bless.